Part 3, transferring internal parts of iPhone 13 mini. I ordered parts from Mobile Centrics, so all of the cables are inside. Transferred the bottom speaker from old to new. Screw them. They go on a specific orientation. Take note of your screws. Now I put in super screws for the one that holds the Face ID module and the front speaker. Put in the front speaker and also the Face ID module. Screw them. Then I slide in the logic board. Make sure you take note of all the cables. And then you put the cables on the appropriate port. There are some cables that are underneath some cables, so take note of that. So now I put in the Taptic engine, screw it, and then I put in the grounding cowling for the Taptic engine, and also the grounding pin for the charging port. Then I transfer the rear camera from the old to the new, take out the cover sticker, put it in, and put in the cable. There is a cowling, there is a two edges that goes on a specific spot. Make sure to take note of that. Put in the battery temporarily, and test with the new stream. You will see a important display message because this is not an original screen anymore. And that is normal. There's no issue with that. And let's test. Everything is